Weekend shopping on Shop Miss A, where everything is $1.
Is it worth your money, honey?
We're gonna find out next. Hi there, Chickadee. How you doing today? Thanks so much for joining us. We're Two Real Chicks. I'm Carla.
I'm Cindy.
And we are here to talk to you today about Shop Miss A and is it worth your money, honey? So I went online to shopmissa.com and I bought lots of goodies that we're going to tell you about today.
Sweet. Let's see what we got.
First off, we have these earrings right here.
They're so pretty.
Which I bought these because I watch a lot of the fashion and style gurus here on YouTube, and they're not only wearing hoops this year, but they're wearing the big circle earrings. And I didn't want to pay $100 for costume jewelry. I checked these out, and I've been wearing these for about 2 weeks. They're totally worth it. These were $1.
Bing, 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 bing.
They haven't turned my ears green. They haven't given me any kind of rash on my ears or on my neck. So there's been no irritation, no turning me green, and they haven't turned green either, so they haven't discolored. So these are definitely a win.
Why not 50 cents a piece?
These are worth your money, honey, and if I can find them, I will link them down below for you.
Sweet.
I also bought this necklace, which I love. I absolutely love. It's not a perfect match with the earrings. It's close enough. It's a nice coordinating set. $1. Whoop, whoop. Holla for $1.
Whoop, whoop.
Same type of quality. Hasn't turned me green. Hasn't given me a rash of any kind. I have actually cleaned this and it is done quite well, as you can see.
And it's nice weight to it.
Both of these have a really good weight to them.
Nice weight.
They don't have that tinny sound or feel.
I was expecting that cheapy, if you look at it hard enough, it's going to bend.
Yeah, it looks like it's been made out of an aluminum Coke can or something like that. These, they're not heavy, but they're substantial.
Yes.
This and this, I definitely give thumbs up on these. I also got them in gold. Oh, by the way, got this little cosmetics pouch too.
No filter.
Because we don't use filters, baby. All of these come packaged like brand new items. They come with tags. And how cute is this? They have all kinds of different sayings. And to give you an idea of the size, here is a full-size liquid lipstick. And you can see a lot goes in there. And I've got all my jewelry in there too. Let's pull out a few other things. Here are these in gold.
I'm not a gold person, but I do like those.
I'm just kind of trying to mix up my colors and mix up my metals. And here is the version of this in gold. Nice long chain.
I do love that. It's heavy.
Feel that. That would look really good on you with that sweater, actually.
Yeah, it would, actually.
Put it on.
I think I shall.
And then these are really cool. These are two-tone, both silver and gold. So you get the best of both worlds. Again, $1. Pretty much everything on Shop Miss A is $1. They do have some makeup palettes and things like that that are $10, but there's 10 different pans in them. So you're still technically paying just $1. They even have mimics of the Z palettes and that kind of thing. Are you looking in my bag for more stuff?
I was thinking maybe some earbobs would be pretty.
Well, okay. Here's another set that I have worn, and these are gorgeous. Again, keeping in with the trend of the circles. Do you need earbobs to go with your necklace?
I need earbobs.
Okay, put those on. Again, nice substantial weight. Oh, we got to tell you too, because people always ask. Lip color that we are wearing today, I am wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills in Party Pink. And also right in the center, I've got Pretty Vulgar in Sophisticated. Simply Sophisticated. I'll link it down below.
I'm wearing Lip Sense Napa.
So we will link all of our makeup down below for you as well, because we always get asked about that. What are you wearing? What lipstick? What eyeshadow are you wearing? So for your convenience, we'll have that link down below as well. Check us out. Are we styling or are we styling? How heavy are those?
Yeah, they had some weight to them, but they're not pulling on my ears.
Shop Miss A, $1.
Got Carla, free.
Yeah. Well, there is that. The store of Carla, always open. I have to tell you too, that when these came, they came beautifully packaged. I mean, they came in just a bag like this, but when you opened up the bag, they were wrapped really, really nicely with really protective packing so that nothing would get damaged in transit. And it was wrapped in pretty purple tissue paper with a pretty little sticker stuck on top. So definitely not cheap feeling when you took it out of the package. And I bought a total of 14 items, and unlike Wish, which we've talked about before, and we'll link that video as well, unlike Wish, where you get charged for shipping per item, even if it's coming from the same vendor and they put it in one package, they don't combine shipping. Now, granted, they're only charging $1, $2, $3 a piece, but still, that adds up.
That adds up.
There have been times on Wish that I've paid more in shipping than I paid for the actual item.
Like you might pay $10 for items and $20 for shipping.
Exactly. With shopmissa, I bought 14 items and the shipping was a grand total of $3.95, and everything came in one package. Took about 1 to 2 weeks to get, so no, you're not going to get speedy 2-day service, but it's a whole lot quicker than Wish, that's for darn sure.
Dang right that is. Wow.
I got more goodies. Got more goodies. Still going with the jewelry.
Oh,
got
yeah.
this nice, it's just very simple, but it's just a nice
Very
multi-layered chain, which is very, I hear, in style this year. Don't take my fashion advice. I'm just going on what I hear. I'm not pretending to be a style guru because I ain't.
You know I ain't. Look.
Look. I love it when people who aren't style gurus come on and say, very on trend this year. I'm thinking, how do you know? Were you at New York Fashion Week? Nah. I hear this is on trend this year, but even if it's not, I liked it. Very simple, elegant look. I'm excited to wear this. Now, let's talk about these sunglasses, shall we? I was excited to get these, even though they're $1, and I knew that they would be cheap.
$1.
It's $1. But I actually like cheap sunglasses because I've had very, very expensive ones. Very expensive ones, and I lose them every time. I always lose them, or else they grow legs and go off with somebody else. Not so sure that hadn't happened a few times.
Yeah.
Just saying.
It wasn't me.
I got these sunnies because they looked very classic, you
Gorgeous.
know.
Gorgeous.
Kind of that hello darling look going on there. Wore these for a week and a half, and
Oh, well.
but I felt like I got my dollar out of them.
Yeah.
No harm, no foul. And I got a couple of beauty items. Now, I didn't get makeup this time, and the reason for that was I wasn't sure of the quality, and just like with Wish, I don't buy makeup from Wish because that stuff is made God knows where, under God knows what kind of conditions, with God knows what kind of ingredients, and God knows what they're putting their workers through. So I don't buy makeup from Wish because I know it's not regulated in the U.S. So I didn't buy makeup from shopmissa this time because I figured it was the same type of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Went onto the website, right there, big, bold, and center, it said 100% approved ingredients in the U.S. I'm going to shop for some makeup next time, but I did get a few beauty gadgets. Here we have a genuine beauty blender that BFF bought me one Christmas.
Bonafide.
It's bona fide.
He's bona fide.
Mama says that he's bona fide.
It's bona fide.
Why did you get it?
I got this because I heard a few people, including Mrs. Melissa M, and I can't remember who else. Sorry, I would credit you if I could. But I heard a few people say that this is a dupe for the Beauty Blender. Now this one is bigger because I just washed it so that it wouldn't be grody when I showed it on camera. Feel that.
That feels just like the real thing.
I have used this and this comparison on my face, and I can't tell the difference. Honest to goodness, this for $1. I'm not kidding you. For $1, once you get this wet and treat it just like you would this and use it just like you would this, I can't tell the difference between the two when I'm using them. It's unbelievable.
How is it?
Unbelievable. Amazing. So for $1, I would definitely pick 1, 2, 15 of these up. I've used it several times.
Not that one.
Not this one, but I've used the other one that I got several times, and no tearing, no ripping. I mean, shoot, if it just lasts a week, you're getting your money's worth, but it's definitely lasting me longer than that. I'm loving it. And it comes in other colors. Don't you love the color?
Yes, I do.
It's got that nice, dense feeling to it when it's dry, and then it gets nice and soft when it's wet. So for $1, this is definitely worth checking out. This little guy is a brush cleaning egg. Let's open it up. Can you read the directions on there?
Hold that thought.
And I have another one of these that I've used. It's smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be the size of my hand and I could put all 4 fingers. And I have fat fingers for sure, but still, you try it. Okay, so you put it on 2 fingers, and then what do?
You wet your brush or sponge, cleanse your sponges too, with water in the sink.
Wait a minute, in the sink? Where do they think we're going to do it? With the garden hose?
It could happen.
It could happen.
Add a small amount of cleanser and water.
God forbid you wash something dry.
To the tip of the egg and swirl the brush to make it lather. On the large textured grooves, swirl the brush to deep clean. Rinse your brush under running water while sweeping the brush back and forth on the egg.
And I have used this, and I've also used it with a sponge, and it works, and it doesn't tear. And for quality brushes, none of the bristles fell out.
Well, excellent.
That was very cool. This little egg for $1? Yep.
I would buy it.
I think it comes in other colors too. And if it's still available, because a lot of stuff does sell out, if it's still available, I'll link it down below. We don't make any money off of those links. We're just doing it for your convenience. That's our quick review of our experience with Shop Miss A so far. If you have shopped Miss A, tell us in the comment section below and what you'd like to see us buy next and review next, because we can do that for you. I mean, for only one product to not work out of everything being $1, and again, I wore these for 1 to 2 weeks, I got my $1 out of them. I'm not upset about that. Check out Shop Miss A, because it is worth your money, honey. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We thank you so much for joining us. It always makes our day that much more special when you keep us company. So be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up.
And while you're going down there to hit that little thumbs up, because you know you like it, there is a red subscribe button. Well, if that button is red, in fact, that means you are not subscribed. You need to click that button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Nothing's going to happen except you're going to get notified because you're going to click that bell that's right beside it.
And you've got to click that bell because I've heard from even the big gurus that YouTube is at it again, changing things around again, and there is no way you will get notified unless you have that bell clicked, and it will not even show up in your feed. You've got to hit that notification bell if you want to know when we upload a new video. And you know you do, and we upload at least 1 new video every week. So until another episode of Two Real Chicks, is it worth your money, honey? I'm Carla.
I'm Cindy.
And we love you.
Mwah.
Bye.